Hello, good people. Welcome to day 11 of our daily Python test. Today, we're going to be doing something that I actually enjoy doing. We're going to be flattening a list. So, we're going to try out two methods. First method, we're going to do this manually. They're going to give us two layers of lists and we're to flatten them into only one list. Our function name should be called flatten. So let's flatten some lists, shall we? First off, we define our function flatten, and then we pass in, there's going to be a parameter. Let's call our parameter stuff today. I hope it's not going to confuse you guys. So we're going the manual route for now. So manual route means we're going to first create a list where we're going to put everything inside. We call this results. Then let's write a for loop, simple for loop for list 1 in stuff. We'll now run another for loop to take in everything that's here. So that will be for let's just say sub lists in list 1, or you say list 2 in list 1, whatever, that don't really matter. Then we now append whatever is in sub list to result. So we're filling in result with we'll just loop through everything, all this, and then fill in results with it. So that's just what we're doing. Then at the end of the day, return results. Let's see. Run code, please. Done. This method 1. Let's go to method 2. Now method 2, we're going to use a simple tool I enjoy using. It's called iter-tools, and we're going to let's just import it directly from iter-tools. Import chain. Now chain is used to unpack lists, dictionaries, tuples, sets, whatever. It works on everything. So we can use this to unpack, or we can use this to merge lists together, things like that. So what we're going to be doing here is we just simply say return. We'll create our function first. So flatten and stuff. Then we're simply returning whatever happens here. So what's going to happen here is it still has to be a list. So we call chain, and then we'll put our unpacking operator, and then we just call stuff. One liner, easy to go. Now we put this in a list. We want to make sure it's still a list, because chain will not return it as a list. Chain is going to just iterate them one after the other, unpack them. So we want to unpack them, but we want to also return it back in as a list. That's why we put it inside this here to convert it to a list. So this is all. Now run code. Second style done. Thanks for being there, and please try this on your own. It pays to get your hands down dirty with some coding. So just try out what we've done, take the basic principles of what we've done and try it out. You can find this at this address, pythonprinciples.com, flatten a list. I think I'll leave this link in the description below. So try it out. Remember, subscribe, share, like it for the YouTube algorithm, so more people can get in on this and become better developers. Thank you very much.